The city of Oslo, located in Norway, is a charming destination offering a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history and vibrant culture. This cosmopolitan city is known for its stunning scenery and picturesque waterfront. Oslo is not only the capital of Norway, but also its economic, political and cultural center. It is a bustling metropolis with a population of over 600,000 inhabitants, which harmoniously combines modern architecture with historical landmarks. Situated on the banks of the Oslo Fjord, the city boasts breathtaking views of the water and mountains. The combination of lush green spaces, picturesque islands and majestic forests makes Oslo a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Tourism in Oslo has grown steadily over the years due to the variety of attractions and activities. Travelers can explore iconic landmarks such as the Royal Palace and Akershus Fortress, or immerse themselves in art and culture at world-renowned museums such as the Munch Museum and the National Gallery. In recent years, Oslo has been recognized for its sustainable initiatives and commitment to preserving the environment. The city's efficient public transportation system includes streetcars, buses, ferries and an extensive metro network, making it easy for tourists to get around. Oslo's vibrant gastronomic life is another highlight for visitors. From traditional Norwegian specialties to international cuisine influenced by the diverse population, there is something for every taste. In conclusion, if you are planning a trip to Norway or looking for an exciting European vacation that combines urban charm with the beauty of nature, don't miss the opportunity to explore the charming city of Oslo.